Hello everyone! So you're probably asking me the question, why are we in a scrubby overgrown paddock today? Well, I've got a new product from AS Motor. It's a German manufactured piece of machinery. And it's the AS600 MultiPro. So this is the first multi-tool AS Motor Germany have actually brought to the UK market. It's compact, it's economical, it's price conscious, so it's really ideally suited for that large domestic property, your semi-professional or an estate situation. It boasts a huge range of professional features, which we'll now go into depth in. So quality oozes from this machine. This AS600 MultiPro implement carrier is equipped with a robust Honda GX270 overhead valve engine, so packs a punch. So you've got two types of adjustment on the handlebar. You've got the lateral adjustment for the height of the user, and you can also offset the handlebars depending on if you're going into heavy growth or not. So it's fitted with a standard tachometer, so you can find the ideal and recommended engine speed for each individual attachment. You can also gauge the amount of hours that the machine has worked for servicing. So it also comes with a reliable hydrostatic drive. This is simply operated by pushing this lever forward and backwards on the machine. This varies the forward speed and your reverse speed, and you can independently lock the wheels, so a bit like power steering, two separate clutches, and it allows you to turn the machine very easily. So this is your right lever and the left lever for turning. Right, so we'll go through the first attachment we've got to show you. This is a 68cm flail. It's fitted with solid Y blades, so it's designed for cutting very heavy undergrowth, so like gorse. Obviously what you see behind us, we're going to put it through in a moment, but anything that's very, very dense that a normal rotary blade won't handle. There's simple height adjustment on this one as well, which is just simply done by winding a handle, like so. If you're cutting on steep ground as well, the dolly wheels on the front of the cutting deck can be fixed in one position. This will stop a shopping trolley sort of action as it's going down the hill, and it will keep the wheels in a straight line, so it will keep you on the side of a hill very, very steady. And as we're all aware, the Germans don't do anything by halves. This is a compact, reliable, heavy-duty flail. The other key thing to this machine is it's got the anti-throw stone protection guard fitted as standard. So let's not hang about, let's put it through its paces. Flail mowers are very unwieldy, but this one here being so compact, it's an absolute breeze to use. Well, that's an easy bit of kit to use. You can see what I've done already in no matter of time at all. So yeah, that's a thumbs up from me. Cool, so we've made it back to the yard. We're going to quickly switch across and put the ESM scythe mower attachment on that we got in stock. I've got a 19mm spanner, so it's a quick, easy attachment. Two 19mm nuts, as is shown here. Switch it across, it's shaft driven, so it's just an easy in and out process, and we'll be back with you in 2 seconds. Right, so there we go, that was easy enough. Let's go and take it out into the paddock and see what it does. Right, so we made it out to the paddock. I'm just going to quickly talk to you about the two scythe attachments available for this machine. You've got the ESM version, which is what you see here. This is the bigger one of the two. It's 126cm wide cutting, and it's a dual drive system on the blades. So it's a really high quality blade or scythe attachment, this one. They also do what they call the Lozzie attachment, which is a more economical attachment for, say, your domestic, more homeowner type setup. And that's 117 centimeters. That's a single blade drive, so you've got a fixed blade on the bottom and then you've got another blade on the top that moves. But yeah, that's the two attachments. Like I say, two different sizes, two different sort of ways they work. They are designed for long grass, you know, if you're trying to, you know, should we say, increase the wildflowers in your meadows and stuff like that, it's ideal, because with the scythe it's cutting it like a pair of scissors. So you're not thrashing the seeds, you allow the grass or the wildflowers to die back when they're on the ground, and then you sweep up the debris, say a month later. In that time, that's allowed the seeds to drop to the ground, and then hopefully they've got point of contact with the soil, and you'll have better growth wildflowers next year. But there you go, let's give it a go. We've got some longer grass here, no wildflowers in this paddock I'm afraid, but it will give you an idea of the principle behind it. Right, so what you do with your wildflowers, or anything really, if you're making hay, is cutting really close to the ground, and you're allowing the material or the seeds to drop back into the ground. So you can see how close it's cutting here. There is two rails on the bottom of the blades which are adjustable, so if you want to set it slightly higher, if the ground's slightly rough, then you can do that. But we've got a fairly level playing field here, so it's pretty easy. But you can see the principle behind it. We got one more attachment to show you, so we'll see you back in the yard. So here's the third and last attachment we got here in stock. This is the 100cm powered sweeper brush. So you've got large 40cm brush diameter. The implement is a standard robust construction and comes with simple height adjustment and offset facility. So you've got easy height adjustment just on these winder wheels. This allows you to have hard penetration or soft penetration on surfaces. So the simple height adjustment also allows you to adjust the depth of the bristles as and when the bristles wear away. Right, so we change location. We come out to the main road here and we're going to clean the edges of the driveways, show you what this bristle broom can do. It's basically used for hard surfaces, so tarmac, you know, driveways, paths, that sort of stuff, but also you can use it for artificial surfaces for brushing in the sand and that sort of thing as well. Yeah, let's put it to work and see what it can do. So there we go, that's the AS600 MultiPro Carrier and the 3 attachments that we've got here in stock. Thank you ever so much for watching. I think I better go and clear up that mess I made out on the road. But while I'm doing that, why don't you browse our website, hayesmachinery.co.uk. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Facebook and like our Instagram page. That'd be much appreciated. Many thanks again.